A while ago, I took my oath and I signed my assumption as the officer in charge of the Philippine National Police. Same rank, and the designation is the officer in charge of the Philippine National Police.
Sir, binanggit po kayo ni Secretary Remulla na kay General Torre kung mag-resign to, mag-retiro siya o kung mananatili. So, paano siya kapag hindi po siya mag-retiro?
In the PNP, of course, if you're not yet retired at the mandatory age of retirement, that is 56, nobody can force a PNP to retire, no? Kasi karapatan niya yun, no?
So,
Okay, and so dito, of course, my order na relief and I have my designation orders, I follow.
Usap na po kayo ni General Torre.
Not yet.
Pero how's your relationship with him?
Oh, we're okay. I'm formerly I'm the commander of when he was the chief, I was the deputy chief for administration. And then after 2 months, I was designated as the commander of the Area Police Command in Western Mindanao. And I just received a verbal directive for me to travel. Yesterday, nandun lang ako sa Pagadian. I'm supposed to attend activities in Western Mindanao Command sa AFP.
Kanina nabanggit mo, itutuloy mo yung 5-minute response.
Of course, even before the 5 minutes response or 3 minutes response or any response, we should respond to any distress call or call for help from our community. Yan naman ay part ng ating managing police operations. Ang ating dati, alambat-sipat yan eh. And then managing police operations and enhance natin. It is about patrolling and investigation. Proactive and reactive. Ngayon, about the response is nandito na tayo sa proactive pa lang.